Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a video that you guys have requested us so many times. So this video is Thalapathy Vijay is going to cast his vote on a cycle.
On a cycle.
Yes.
So that is the most simplicity I think he has shown
Yes.
ever, and I also really want to see him, riding a cycle.
Yes,
You guys
right.
have requested so many times. We got a lot of requests in Instagram that you just have to give the reaction. They have
Yes.
particularly told that this video.
Right.
Okay, so that video only we are giving our reaction
Yes.
on. So let's get started. We are very much excited and yes, वोट देना चाहिए, सब वोट दो.
Yes.
ठीक है, वोट तो देना ही चाहिए.
Right.
ओके तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो. बट बिफोर दैट, इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड आल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
Yes.
சார் விஜய் வந்து சைக்கிளில் போகிறார் சார், அது லைவ் எடுத்துங்க சார். நித்யானை கனெக்ட் பண்ணார்னா ஆமாம் சைக்கிள்
Oh God.
My goodness.
ஏன் வண்டி சார்.
Everybody was waiting there. Oh.
Everybody is
And
like
following also,
crowding. Oh God.
See,
why?
man, that guy with mobile. Man, you drive, man. Ooh. See.
It's touching.
Finally, he had to come.
They wants
there.
to touch at
Ah.
least one time, man. This is also, I can understand the feeling.
Due to just so much crowd, he had to ride on the scooty as well. I think that also some fans scooty.
Very difficult, no?
Ah.
This kind of situation.
Okay,
To
finally
ride the bike.
reached that where road is going on. Oh my God.
Okay.
That
My
was it,
goodness.
right? I think he has shown his simplicity, you can say. So
He is a very simple person,
Down
and
to
that's
earth,
how
right?
he has shown here.
Right.
I
Every
really
time-
love how people was like trying to touch, which is not,
Not-
good. Not
it was
good at
not
all.
good because he was also riding
without
on-
anyone's permission, you cannot touch. But still, I
But
can
still.
understand their feeling. They wants to touch one single time. They are
Yes.
hero actually,
Yeah, right.
and he was not at all showing any angerness, or
Attitude,
he is
nothing,
not
right?
showing any attitude, anything. I think he is a very pure soul. He's a very pure-hearted person, and that's what I love about actually.
right.
This is so cute.
This really it shows that you don't need a big cars
Big
and lot of
cars.
things to
Yes.
go to your nearby also, right? But yes, that security is other thing.
This is other thing actually. He's a very super actor, no? So that is why
Right.
security is a very, I think this is a very risky work what he has done,
Yes.
right?
Of
Just
course.
openly he has riding the cycle, and he's just going. This is a very risky task actually, and abhi ke time mein people are very bad.
Right.
Everyone, like if you see, if someone is having the success, people will think no,
Right.
he should not
will
get
be-
success, and
he will
they will
have
be
a lot
jealous.
of enemies also.
Enemies
right?
also, yes,
But
that's what
of
I'm
course,
telling.
That happens in normal
in-
days also.
yes.
With normal people also.
Normal
He is
people
getting
also.
good success, or he is becoming famous, or he is doing good work
Yes,
actually. He will have lot of enemies.
Enemies.
So
And,
it was very much a risky thing he has applied.
I was thinking like वो जो गाड़ी जा रहा था ना, मतलब the bikes were like keep on going on. I was thinking
by
that
side.
एक टायर के साथ एक टायर लग जाता है तो एकदम ना,
Yes, it
one
was-
tire
it
will
was-
touch another tire, then it will like a crash and it will be a very big accident. But
Exactly.
it was a very risky task, and please Thalapathy Vijay sir, don't do that, because your safety is our thing actually. Like
Yes.
we always think about like whoever is doing good for the society, they should be in a
At a
safe
safe place.
a
right?
safe place, and they should be safe, they should be good
Right.
condition.
And also when
so
he
it is
reached
very
that
risky.
where the voting was happening,
Ha,
right,
there
then
also.
it was marvelous.
My
crowd.
God, this is reminding me
goodness.
of my Mela in
Durga
my
Puja, right?
Durga Puja Mela. Actually, this is a
Yes.
fair. Okay, there is a fair. I think people in that fair also people are less compared to this crowd.
And also,
This is
in this case,
so much crowdy.
Everybody was focusing at one point.
At one point
and
only,
he
that
was,
green shirt.
Right, he was.
Yeah, that green shirt with the mask on.
But yes.
That person only.
But
Oh
yes,
my
but what to
God.
do? If you are famous, your fan following will be huge, and everybody will want to at least see with
See you
their
at a
own
glance.
eyes in
One
front of
time.
you at least one time.
We also told. We
Right.
also told several
Exactly.
times that we
also
want to
told that
see
we-
at least one
Yes,
time from
we
our
also
eyes.
want to meet him at least one time.
One time. I know that he will not. Shayad, he will
I
not
think-
talk that much,
I
but
think-
I just want to see at least.
Yes,
That's
I
all.
think in
For
place
one
of those
second.
guys, if we were also there,
We
we,
will also
might
do
have
that.
also done the same
That
thing.
done the
We
same thing.
might have also behaved in the same thing. That we would try to touch him.
Yes.
We wanted to go
You know,
in
get a
close to
selfie
him,
and all.
get a selfie, and all those things will happen. In
Yes.
this. Really, this is a very good video, and it shows that how much down to earth he is, and how much means.
He
like
is very
doesn't
responsible
show
towards
his attitude and all
towards
that,
his
right?
duty also.
Yes.
That is also is showing that how much big actor you are. You just need to do your responsibility towards the society. That is what I really want to admire about him. That okay, you are a very big star, but you know came to do the vote, cast the vote. This is your
vote
duty
is
and
your responsibility.
it is your
and
responsibility.
You should do it.
Yes. So I really love Talapati Vijay sir, and I think people have requested so many times to give the reaction. We thought okay, we have to give the reaction. Earlier we thought okay, casting video, this is a very normal thing, but then we thought no, this is actually will motivate people also, that okay, if he is a big star and
can ride
if
a
he
cycle,
rides
right?
cycle and he is going to the booth to
Right.
give the vote,
Right.
we also should go and do the vote,
Exactly.
cast the vote, right? This is your
I think he has
responsibility.
given 2-3 social messages also, like casting vote is one thing, and in spite of you are having a lot of money, instead of that also you can use cycles. Right, for going nearby and all, you should use cycle only,
Yes,
because
yes.
it will also good for environment.
I really
think
like-
those things also he has shown here.
Yes, and I really love the gate. उनका house है ना ये,
Yes.
that
I
big
think
gate.
it was his house
Wow.
only.
Yes, I just want to see a little bit glance of that house, but it was so quick. Like he just opened that. I think security guard. He has just opened and closed. I cannot even see. But I really want to see his house, and it was like curiosity, you know. Like if you love someone, any celebrity, you just want to see their house, their lifestyle, how they are living their life. This all of these things,
Yes,
right?
of course. I think we can search in. We have seen some of his house photos.
That is,
right?
I think, कोई farm house है जो
Farm house kind of thing,
हाँ,
he
farm
was
house
planting
kind of. He was
trees and all,
planting
right?
trees. I think there is a beach house which he has got motivated by seeing the Tom Cruise beach house.
Okay, is
People
it?
have told.
Oh, right.
We have seen
It
in the
was there.
video.
Somewhere
We have
we
not
have
seen
seen
the
it.
original house which is in Tamil Nadu, but that house, I think that is also in Tamil Nadu, but that is a beach house. So this is what actually, this is a very good step actually. Very much responsible citizen you are, and we are super proud of him.
And still voting phase
Definitely.
is going to happen in few more phases, right? As cast
सब
your
जगह
vote.
पे हो रहा है, cast
Yes.
your vote, yes. So yeah, like this is a very small video, 1 minute 37 seconds only. So I just want to see a little bit more, like entering to the booth and showing that finger that yeah, we have done that. Don't know whether those videos are
Maybe
there
we
in
need
the
to search.
internet or
So
not.
mostly this was based on cycling and going for vote.
Because the headline is also like that.
Yes.
Talapati Vijay cycle vote TN election 2021.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
So I think for my in my lifetime I have seen only one person who is a very very big celebrity and riding the cycle. That is Talapati Vijay sir. I always see, if you see also, search also in the Google, if you see that Bollywood celebrities and other state celebrities, they are preferring to use the car ढका हुआ पूरा, and they will just
With black glasses.
black glasses and all, they will get out of that car and they will go to the booth. I have seen that. This is the first time I have seen that someone is riding a cycle.
Yes.
Nah, bhai, this is the first time I have at least seen in my life that okay, he is a big
Cycling
celebrity,
like
but
normal,
still he is cycling.
normal for just morning walk or something. In morning cycling we have seen.
We have seen, but
for
casting vote के लिए हम
vote we
देखे
haven't
नहीं.
seen anything.
Because they that time also, other celebrities that time also, they think about the status. Okay, no, I cannot ride cycle, I have to use my car, like BMW and that Mercedes and all of these things with the black glass enclosed. I really love this fact that you are doing something for the people people, you should be a normal citizen, right? So I really like salute to Thalapathy Vijay sir because of his acting, because of his expression, every single thing at the one side.
Yes.
His humanity is at the other
this
side.
is different thing. Yes.
Yeah, this is different thing, I think. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Really enjoyed it, and हमारा जो एडमिनेशन लेवल है ना रिस्पेक्ट का वो और ज़्यादा उठ गया आज, राइट? और ज़्यादा कितना उठेगा पता नहीं, बट वी रियली एडमायर हिम अ लॉट. सो या, दैट इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो ऑन योर रिक्वेस्ट गाइज, एंड आई होप दैट यू लव आवर रिएक्शन. इफ यू डू so, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.